Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on a serious piece of Americana history. I present to you the GMC Syclone. For those of you that don't know, 1991, only year they ever made this thing. We're blessed with the opportunity to work on this thing. And to be honest guys, I can't wait to drive this thing. We had to put the drift trike project on hold for a little bit, but here she is. Stay tuned. Okay guys, if you know anything about the GMC Syclones, then you already know who Sport Machines is. Today we're going to be putting their adjustable fuel pressure regulator kit and this well-built vacuum hose kit. Comes with all the needed hoses, check valves, you name it. Backstory on this truck is it's been sitting for 8 years. So it's definitely got some much needed maintenance, but can't wait to get it knocked out. So our first step was to remove the air intake to the turbo. Next we're going to be removing, which we've already done, the boost pipe to the actual intercooler. After that we're going to be removing the intercooler from the throttle body. Sport Machines has really done their homework here guys. They have labeled every end of every silicone vacuum hose, where it needs to go. It's pretty hard to mess this one up guys. Something I want to show you guys, we got the fuel pressure regulator out, but if you look, the O-ring got stuck in there. Make sure you get that O-ring out before you install the new fuel pressure regulator.